to bank account. So bank account appears on the debit side of the provision for tax account, and then you can get your balancing figure here in the form of provision for tax for the current year. तो इसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं? इसको हम statement of profit and loss लिखते हैं. So journal entry becomes P&L account debit to provision for tax. So this is the provision for tax for the current year. Okay, so balancing figure actually can be either of the two. अगर एक वैल्यू दी हुई है तो दूसरी आपकी बैलेंसिंग फिगर बन जाती है. टैक्स पेड दिया हुआ है तो प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स बन जाएगा. अगर प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स दिया हुआ है तो टैक्स पेड बन जाएगा आपका बैलेंसिंग फिगर. हाउ आर दीज देन ट्रीटेड? ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग कहीं पर भी नहीं आता. टैक्स पेड ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज में एंड में माइनस होता है. When you have calculated the cash flows after working capital changes, उसमें less tax paid आता है. Provision for tax is a non-cash item. It is added. Non-cash expense and it is added. Okay, so there are two treatments of these values. Both adjustments, both treatments are taking place in the cash flow from operating activities. Tax paid is deducted at the end in the operating activities, while provision for tax is added. When you calculate the net profit before tax and extraordinary items, उस step पे आप operating activities में provision for tax को add करते हो. Okay, now we will move to a couple of questions जहाँ पर सारी adjustments हैं. So first question is there on your screens. दो images हैं, continuation में है question. And you are given 3 pieces of additional information. Machinery से रिलेटेड है, मशीनरी की डेप्रिसिएशन से रिलेटेड है, एंड डिविडेंड पेड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. So you can start with the question, then we are solving it together. I am giving you 5 minutes time. Start making the entries. So I can see only Tanmay has solved the question. Rest of you, I am also starting with the solution. So you can tally it side by side and doubts will be taken up as and when you ask me in between. Okay, I am starting with the working notes because we have machinery. In additional information, we will need to prepare the machinery account. ओके, प्लीज कीप वन थिंग इन माइंड, पहले आपको क्लोजिंग बैलेंस दिया हुआ है फिर ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया हुआ है, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड देयर. So please have a look. This is how the plant and machinery account will be prepared. Under this opening closing balance, I have taken from the balance sheet given, and then for the additional information, machinery with book value 42,000 has been sold for 56,000. So there is a profit of 14,000 to profit on sale. This comes in the operating activities. Profit on sale is subtracted in the operating activities. Then when you are selling the asset, you are receiving some funds that will come to bank account. Sale of machinery comes under investing activities. Depreciation of 28,000 is given. This again comes under operating activities. And then the balancing figure, since it is appearing on the debit side, this will be purchases to bank account, and this amount will come under the investing activities as a cash outflow. So after this, we start preparing the cash flow statement. Now this dividend paid during the year, nothing else is specified. You can assume it to be interim dividend, means it is announced and paid both during the year. So I add dividend here. When we are calculating the net profit before tax and extraordinary items, we also add the dividend. Okay, so I have broadly solved the question. You are getting cash flow from operating activities as plus 1,26,000, while for investment activities it is less, negative 1,26,000, and your cash flow from financing activities is 14,000. So when you add the three, you get increase in cash and cash equivalent by 14,000. I'm writing it roughly here, so you can just write it in fair. Increase in cash and cash equivalent will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is coming to plus 14,000. You add the opening cash balance, which is 70,000, and you finally get the closing cash balance, which is 84,000. You can tally your answer and you can see that you have solved the question correctly. If there's any doubt at any of these steps, please ask.
Ma'am, I'm getting the cash flow from operating as 70,000.
How 70,000? Have you included everything there? एक बारी आप
Yes.
चेक कर लो. Wait. These were all the items which were given. यहाँ पे चेक करो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 70,000 कैसे आ रहा है? कुछ मिस आउट करा है आपने?
Ma'am, net profit before, oh sorry, after tax and extraordinary items, ma'am, 126 नहीं होगा?
एक
182 तो ओपनिंग फिगर थी ना?
182 कैसे फिगर थी बेटा? एक मिनट, ये
ओपनिंग
क्वेश्चन.
बैलेंस था आई थिंक.
ओपनिंग आपका था 182, क्लोजिंग आपका था 280. तो सरप्लस क्या होगा? क्लोजिंग माइनस ओपनिंग.
हम क्लोजिंग तो 3,08,000 है ना?
सॉरी, हाँ, 182 आपका ओपनिंग था, 3,08,000 क्लोजिंग है. तो दोनों का डिफरेंस तो बेटा 1,26,000 आ रहा है.
यस मैम.
हाँ.
मैम आपने शायद अमाउंट कुछ और लिखा हुआ था यहाँ पे.
नहीं, मैंने यहाँ से स्टार्ट करा सोल्यूशन.
अ, ठीक है मैम, मेरे को अपनी
ठीक
मिस्टेक
है, उसके बाद जो डिविडेंड है वो अनाउंस प्रोविजन फॉर डिविडेंड करके करा है हमने. फिर उसके बाद ये बिफोर टैक्स एंड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी आइटम्स 1,82,000 आ रहा है.
ओके मैम. मैम
यस,
पर
एनी
लेकिन
अदर
हम
डाउट? हाँ प्रणत.
हम जो डिविडेंड हम पे करते हो तो इंटरिम डिविडेंड ऐड करते हैं ना यहाँ पे?
हाँ, पर ये एडजस्टमेंट में दिया